In this video, I'll show you how to transfer from Earn Wallet to Spot Wallet in Binance. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log into your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance platform because you will be moving funds between your wallets. Once you are logged in, go to the Wallets section. On the mobile app, you can usually find this at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, look for your Earn Wallet or Earn account. This is where your funds are held when you use Binance Earn products like Simple Earn, Flexible Savings, or locked products. Before you can transfer funds to your Spot wallet, you may need to redeem them from Earn first. If your funds are in a flexible product, select the asset, tap Redeem, and choose the amount you want to redeem. Flexible products usually allow quicker redemption. If your funds are in a locked product, check the redemption rules first. Some locked products may only become available after the lock period ends, while others may allow early redemption. Keep in mind that early redemption may affect your rewards, so read the details before confirming. After redeeming your funds, Binance will usually move the asset back to your Spot wallet automatically. In some cases, you may need to go to Wallets, then tap Transfer. On the transfer screen, choose from Earn and to Spot, if that option is available. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to move, enter the amount, and tap Confirm. If you do not see Earn as a transfer option, check your redemption status. The funds may still be processing, or they may already be back in your Spot wallet. You can confirm this by going to Wallets, then Spot, and searching for the asset. Once the transfer or redemption is complete, your funds will appear in your Spot wallet. From there, you can trade, convert, withdraw, or use the funds for other Binance services. And that's how you transfer from Earn Wallet to Spot Wallet in Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.